Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel where you can learn about how to improve your trading techniques, especially these techniques related to time, because the time, in my opinion, should be considered as the key factor in trading. Price is only a derivative of time, and it is a consequence, not a cause. There are many people just like you who feel that market harmony and Gantt trading methodology based on the square of 9 is one of the world's greatest trading ideas. And that's inspired me to share this video with you, where I will show you some amazing results of applying of some geometry and maths in trading. It's a time to go through it. Let's start the rock and roll. So today is February 6th, 2021, and I'm happy to confirm that, as I said in one of my previous videos, I think the last one for February, I'm happy to confirm that EUR/USD reversed yesterday on Friday, exactly as it was predicted in my video. This video, you might check it out if you haven't seen it yet, and this explained exactly why the market changed the direction. Obviously, one of the reasons of changing direction was a double cycle of Venus. From 5th February backwards, 225 days was 24th of June 2020. And backwards 2 Venus cycles, which is 450 days, it has fallen on, I think it was 12, not 11, counted from February the 5th. So that's why the market was very likely to reverse, especially the also one cycle back of the Mercury, which was 9 November 2020. There's a top and 2 cycles of Mercury, which was 12/8/2020. There was a local bottom of the market, so we got bottom, top, bottom, same story. We had top, we had bottom here. So after this top followed the bottom, and especially there we got this dynamic trend line and the static dynamic support and static support over here. So it was very nice confluence. In one of my other videos published on January 21st, 2020, I've shown you a calculation indicating that on January 25th the reversal might take place, and look what happened. Here is January 25th, is this small candle, let me zoom it in, is this candle over here. So there was Monday, market actually topped on Friday, which another calculation shown. I told you in one of my videos, if your potential reversal point falls on Saturday or Sunday when the market is closed, Friday and Monday are most likely when reversals occur. So this is Friday 22nd and this is Monday 25th of January 2020. So you may say I was lucky. Okay, perfect. But from the other hand, I know you have already begun to think about how to do it in the same way, or how has it been done. There are 2 ways to find out how to achieve such results. But please give me a few minutes. I'll explain it later. Before that, I'd like to show you one more example. So in other of my videos from January 14th, the title of the video is EUR/USD forecast for 2021, when I'm trying to forecast all the reversal points which are going to happen this year. I also stated that on January 15, you might see this one on video, on January 15, a turning point is supposed to happen. And what happened? Look at the chart, please. 15th of January 2021. This line is this, just this bottom of the candle, 15, and the next day is 18. So again, we got Friday. Sometimes it happens like the Friday, Monday. They are very interesting dates, basically from this point of view. And if you look at this Excel sheet with these dates, which is 15 over here, 22nd over here, you might also realize that 29 January, there's another turning point. I'm not saying about 6 of, that was the first one forecast for this year, but also we got 29 of January, and As you might see over here, 29th was this small candle, this local correction. So we had one signal here, one signal here, one signal here as well. And now what's happening? Well, is it a clairvoyancy? It looks like, doesn't it? But let me assure my friend, I'm not a clairvoyant, neither wizard. I have no crystal ball showing the future. Just these turning points, they have been calculated. So they have been calculated as a result of applying the rules of the square of 9, which is considered by many successful traders as the most efficient trading methodology ever. As you begin to realize that the market geometry and market harmony is a must when we talk about successful trading, imagine that all these dates I've mentioned before has been calculated based on one single value. Let me show you how it looks like, and it's been calculated. I've got it over here. I'm sure you guessed already what this value is. This is the price of the instrument, of this instrument of EURUSD from over 20 years ago. I repeat it, over 20 years ago, on October 26, 2000, EURUSD made an all-time low, and this low was the base for calculating all these days reversals, these all turning points which are still valid, Look over here. From January 9th, 2020 until the end of January 2021. So what happened here? We had, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 potential turning points calculated from the all-time low value of the price and converted through the formulas I teach on my private tutorials. And what, as a result, we have 8 hits out of 10. This is an amazing 80%. 80% accuracy, my friend. Hello. Can you imagine what a powerful tool is that? What the powerful is the square of 9, based on the rules hidden behind it, which I teach them, is hidden just this method of calculating. As you sit here in front of your screen or smartphone watching this video, as strange as I appears maybe, to know these amazing trading patterns of the harmonic relation of price and time, doesn't it? As you may know, Gantt trading methodology, I told you already, is one of the world's greatest trading ideas, worth knowing it better. So we got here another 7 geometric reversal turning points in 2021, so please write them down for the future reference in case you don't know how to calculate, you don't know this equation and you don't know how to use them and to calculate based on the past. As I mentioned before, I'm not a Wizard of Oz, neither Baphomet's associate, and I have no clairvoyancy abilities. I don't see the future, I simply know how to calculate these dates, which I've shown you over here. And you must know that all these dates have been calculated based on this, on the square of 9. It is well known that many of the successful traders use the square of 9, use the harmony encoded behind it. But hardly no one is willing to share this knowledge with the world. At the beginning, I told you there are 2 ways to know this wonderful methodology. Both of them, unfortunately, require a lot of work, my dear friend. One of these methods, which I would recommend you, is to study the works of W.D. Gann and all the related works written by other authors. It takes a bit of time. For example, it took me about 2 years before I found out the light at the end of the tunnel, I might say, and it took me another 2 years or 3 years to get confidence into what I have discovered. And of course, as you analyze the market, you may notice that you want to learn it faster. You also may consider to find a tutor or mentor for yourself who will guide you through this, I would call it, this learning path. You may take into account a mentoring session with me. The contact details you will find below this video in the description section. You also may search over the internet and find someone else who will show you the way. Whatever you do, would it be my way or another way, whatever you do, it is going to work for you, my friend, because learning W.D. Gann's methodology is the best way, in my opinion, to invest your time and energy in order to become a successful trader. Don't put off tomorrow what you can do today. And remember, time is money. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time, my friend, and green peeps to you. Bye-bye.